Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. Which of the following are the solutions to x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0? Now let us work through the solution step by step. We need to solve the quadratic equation x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0. We'll factor the left side into two binomials, and then use the zero product property to find the solutions. We need two numbers that add up to -5 and multiply to +6. Testing -2 and -3, they add to -5 and multiply to +6. Both conditions check out. Using those values, the quadratic factors as x minus 2 times x minus 3 equals 0. Expanding this product gives x squared minus 5x plus 6, which matches the original equation. By the zero product property, if the product of two factors is 0, at least one of them must be 0. Setting each factor equal to 0 gives x equals 2 from the first factor and x equals 3 from the second factor. Let's verify. Plugging in x equals 2, 4 minus 10 plus 6 equals 0, correct. Plugging in x equals 3, 9 minus 15 plus 6 equals 0, correct. Both solutions check out. The two solutions to x squared minus 5x plus 6 equals 0 are x equals 2 and x equals 3. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.